Sanyo TVs typically rely heavily on the remote control for accessing the settings menu, where Wi-Fi configuration is located. Without a remote, navigating to settings, then network, and finally entering Wi-Fi credentials becomes problematic. Some Sanyo models have very basic buttons on the TV itself, but these rarely offer full menu control. For example, you might find a reset button, but it won't help with Wi-Fi setup. The TV's menu screen, like the features option shown here, requires remote control to navigate through settings to reach the network section for Wi-Fi configuration. In contrast, the remote control offers full menu navigation with buttons for numbers, volume, channels, and direct access to settings. This is why remote dependency creates such a challenge for Wi-Fi setup. If you previously paired your smartphone with the TV via the Sanyo Smart Remote app available on iOS and Android, you can use it to control the TV. Open the app and ensure your phone and TV are on the same Wi-Fi network. If the TV is already connected via Ethernet, connect your phone to the same network it used to use. Navigate to Settings, then Network, then Wi-Fi using the app's remote function. Select your Wi-Fi network and enter the password using the on-screen keyboard. This method works if the app was previously paired with your TV. Method 2 uses a universal remote app on your smartphone that supports infrared blasters. Many modern smartphones have built-in IR blasters that can control devices like TVs. Popular apps include Shure Universal Remote or IR Universal Remote. Download and install the app from your app store. Make sure your smartphone has an IR blaster. You can check by looking for a small black dot near the top edge of your phone, usually near the camera or headphone jack. Once installed, open the Shure Universal Remote app. You'll see the main interface with options for different device types. Select TV as the device type, then choose Sanyo as the brand from the list of manufacturers. The app will show different remote control layouts for Sanyo TVs. Try each layout by testing the power button and other controls until you find one that successfully turns your TV on and off. Once you find a working layout, use the menu button to access the TV's settings menu. Navigate through the on-screen menus using the directional buttons on the app's remote interface. In the settings menu, navigate to Network Settings, then Wi-Fi. From here, you can scan for available networks and connect your Sanyo TV to your wireless network. Some Sanyo Smart TVs support USB keyboard and mouse input. Start by locating the USB ports on the back of your TV. Plug a USB keyboard and mouse into the USB ports on the back of your TV. Make sure they're compatible USB devices. Once connected, you'll see the home screen. Use the mouse to navigate to Settings, typically found on the home screen or in a menu. Use the keyboard and mouse to select Network from the Settings menu, then choose Wi-Fi. Choose your Wi-Fi network from the list and enter the password using the USB keyboard. This method will not work on older Sanyo TV models without USB ports. If your Sanyo TV has an Ethernet port, you can temporarily connect it to your router using an Ethernet cable. This will provide internet access without needing Wi-Fi. While this doesn't directly solve the Wi-Fi issue, it allows you to update the TV's software, which may resolve compatibility issues or enable other control methods. After the update, try the other methods again. As a last resort, if your Sanyo TV has a physical reset button, consult the manual online for your specific model to locate it. The reset button is typically located on the back of the TV, often near the ports. Press and hold it to initiate factory reset. On the TV screen, you'll see a factory reset prompt. Enter the code 601 to confirm and revert to original factory settings. Warning: Factory reset will erase all your settings, including network configurations and accounts. Be very careful with this option. After the reset, the TV will guide you through the initial setup process, potentially offering alternative input methods for connecting to Wi-Fi. If none of these methods work, it's likely a new remote is required. You can purchase a replacement remote online or from electronics retailers. Before buying a new remote, double-check that the TV is powered on and that there are no obstructions blocking the IR signal. In summary, we've explored using smartphone apps, USB devices, Ethernet connections, and factory resets as potential solutions for connecting your Sanyo TV to Wi-Fi without a remote.